Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bear inside of a heart. As we did with the lovebirds inside of a heart, you're going to blow it up all the way to the end, leaving a ½ an inch or so you can tie those two ends together just like that. And again, shape that into a heart by bringing a shape into a heart, pulling and squeezing that top part to create your heart. For the bear, you're going to blow the balloon all the way up except for about a hand's length, 5 fingers or so. Burp the balloon, make about a 3-inch bubble, twist it about 6-7 times. Then you're going to make a 2-inch bubble, again 6-7 times, and then a 1-inch bubble, and then another 2-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and another 2-inch bubble. So you'll have 6 bubbles, a 3-inch, a 2-inch, a 1-inch, a 2-inch, a 1-inch, a 2-inch. Bring those 2-inch ones together just like that and go ahead and twist it. And then you're going to want to take and make an ear. It's an ear twist. Take that 1-inch balloon and twist it. And then you're going to take this, which is the nose, and push it through the cheeks and the top of the head. And there you have your balloon bear head. Now you're going to twist it for an inch balloon, and then bring this over just like that for an arm. Twist it, just making a bend. There's the top of the bear. And then you'll want about that much for the tail, which you can just make by leaving that area while you twist it. And there you have your bear. Isn't he cute? You're going to take this part of the heart and this part of the bear, push them together, and twist that tail right around. And that will lock the bear in place. And what I also like to do is make it so that the bear is holding a little flower or a balloon. You want to blow up just about 1.5 inches. Take this top of the balloon where you tied and push it through the balloon all the way through until you can grab it at the bottom, just like that. Grab a hold of it, pull your finger out, and twist it about 12, 13, 14 times. And that should hold it together just like that. Take it and bring it in half, and take that and scoot it right into one of the arms. And there you have your bear in a heart. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers. Don't forget to hit the bell.